Hi guys, how to create a Gmail account. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now open Chrome and search create Gmail account and press enter. And open the first website and scroll down, click the create account. And again click the create account. And create personal or children, click on it. And enter your first name and last name, click the next. And enter your date of birth and select gender and click next. And this Gmail address, select one or click create your own Gmail address. And enter your Gmail address and click the down next. And enter your strong password and again enter confirm password and click the next. And this option, click the skip and click next and scroll down, click the I agree your account was created.